And for the final updates of today, we've got USD Swiss, USD Yen, and USD CAD. Starting off with USD Swiss on the daily time frame, we can see we've had our daily break of structure, and that's our swing range. We've liquidated this high over here before seeing this demand chain fail, creating some nice bearish price action. If we move down onto the 4-hour time frame, what we can see is we've had our initial break of structure in towards the downside, followed by another break of structure in towards the downside. This is my swing high, and this is my swing low. After liquidating this high over here, we've seen this demand zone fail, creating a fresh area of supply, which we spoke about yesterday, looking for shorts. If we move down onto the 1-hour time frame, we can see our 1-hour structure is over here with a break, and this is our swing high, and this is our swing low. Now we've had quite a big push in towards the upside on the back of the Iran bombing. However, we're at a point now where we've liquidated this high over here, and if we see this demand zone fail, we've got a fresh area of supply which you can limit, targeting this week's swing low over here. If we move on to USD Yen, I'm still not looking to trade this. We're currently within this 4-hour area of supply, which is a strong zone as it liquidated this high over here. We're also trading at 159, which is near enough to 160, which is where we are notorious for the intervention level. So I'm expecting at any point the Bank of Japan to buy loads of yen and push the USD yen in towards the downside. If we move on to USD CAD on the daily time frame, we can see we've had our break of structure, and this is our swing range. We've liquidated this high over here before seeing a strong sell-off in towards the downside. However, although we're bearish on the daily, we are technically bullish on the 4-hour. You can see we've had our break of structure in towards the upside, and this is my swing low, and this is my swing high. We've liquidated this low over here before seeing this demand chain that was pushing price in towards the downside for a few weeks fail and begin to push price in towards the upside. If we move down onto the 1-hour time frame, this becomes a lot clearer. As you can see, we've had demand zones pushing price in towards the upside continuously. If we zoom in a little bit on the most recent price action, this is my area of current demand. If I see price come back into here, I'll be looking for these lows, or even down on the M15, look for that structure shifting towards the upside. Then I'm going to be positioning myself in those longs.